Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if the MSN homepage appears to be opening up automatically when your computer starts up. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should go back to Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range, keep that at all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just would select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Double click on that. Should be a current control set folder in here. Double click on that. Look for services. Double click on that one as well. Now look for a folder that says NLASVC. You could also just type on one of these folders too and then just start filling it out. So again, NLA SVC. So I just started typing on these folders. So again, NLA, and I'm going to just stop after I typed NLA, and I see it in this folder listing here. If you need to pause the video at any point, you can see the folder path up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under. So now that we're on NLA SVC, double click on it. Should be a parameters folder. Double click on that one as well. And then finally, there should be an internet folder here. Just left click on that one time. Now we're going to expand the right column here. So we're just going to drag this over in between name and type. And you're going to locate the enable active probing keyword value. Double click on this. You want to delete the 1, type as 0. Just numerical 0, don't spell it out, just type the number 0. Select OK. Once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and then once your computer restarts, hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.